I'm Pritpal, COO at LEC Robotics, and from the 7th till the 18th of September, we're going to be running Robot Week at our London showroom in Chelsea. There's going to be 10 robots for all 5 sectors, and you can see them all live.
What is Robot Week?
So Robot Week is an event that LEC Robotics is putting on. It's going to be in our brand new showroom in Chelsea. So we're going to be showcasing 10 robots for 5 different major industries. We're going to cover facility management, hospitality, care home, logistics and retail. The hourly slots, they start from 9 o'clock. You come in, our team will welcome you and they'll go through the whole process of showing you the robots, educating you about them and actually showing you return on investment for your business. We'll also be serving some free coffees and ice cream, all made by robots. The reason why we're doing the event at the showroom rather than the trade show is because when you're at a trade show, you only get to spend maybe 3 or 4 minutes with the sales rep. It's not really enough. Inside the showroom, you're going to get time, at least an hour slot with our sales team. You can ask them loads of questions and make sure that you're happy with the robots themselves.
So what can I actually expect to see on the day at Robot Week?
So when you come into Robot Week, we'll welcome you, we'll go through all the pain points of your industry, we'll show you the robots, and then if you do have any questions, you can definitely ask them at the end of the session, and where our team are more than happy to answer any of those questions.
If I attend one of your 1 hour slots, what value would I leave with?
So what we want to show you is how the robots will work in your environment and how you can actually integrate the robots into your normal staff rota. And also our team will go through the return on investment for your business.
What robots are you most excited to show off?
I'm actually really excited about the C40. It's from the Keenan range and it's one of the most powerful cleaning robots. It's got wet and dry cleaning capabilities. I think it's a great product and a lot of facility management companies are going to be taking that on board very soon. I think the S100 is another one of my favorite products. It's a logistics robot. It's got a high capacity of 100 kg as well. And then I would say from the food and beverage side, I'm actually quite excited to show off the S Pro, which is our robot barista. You must have all seen it in Milan. It's been one of our big hits and we've taken it to the London Coffee Festival. So it's actually good to show a lot of people that live as well.
A lot of operators are worried that this is about tracking the team. What do you say about that?
I think that's a misconception. So these are cobots, so they work alongside people rather than try and replace them. I can give you an example. One of our robots, which is the T10, is a service robot. So instead of going from the kitchen to the table, you can send a robot to do that while the staff can spend time with the customers and actually look to upsell them. So one of the advantages of these cobots is they're there to fill the roles that people are not applying for. An example could be evening cleaners, night shifts. The cobots will be perfect in those scenarios.
So who should book and for which days?
My head of marketing has told me exactly what to say about this. So who should be booking? So anybody who runs a site and signs off on operational costs, operations directors, general managers, estates and facilities, and heads of housekeepers, and obviously owners. So pick the sector day that matches your business. Logistics on the 7th and 8th, hospitality on the 9th and 10th, facility management on the 11th and 14th, healthcare and care on the 15th and 16th, and retail on the 17th and 18th. Bring a colleague and there'll be ice cream and coffee for them. I think robots are inevitable. You can see the change that's happened even in our retail. For example, there were self-checkouts not too long ago and now you can see that robots are starting to take place. Some big deals have already been done. You can see that they are in Heathrow Airport. Tesco's have just signed a deal 2 months ago, so they are coming, and it's not about being worried or scared about them. It's just about seeing how they can integrate and actually make our lives easier. I'm quite excited to show the public how they can actually use these robots and what they're capable of. Book your 1 hour slot for Robot Week now.